Udina. Watch it. Fire. Listen. Yeah, so see what I go on the curry pot there so far. Yeah, man. Welcome to the channel, you don't know. Job up there and thing. Daniela the round this one. We there I go and wait for food. Yeah, some mango rice. Yeah, we just go and wait for food and you don't know. Yeah, outside I know me and job out. So I look some mango to make a mango rice. Yeah, I want some mango differently to make some juice. But he said just follow the jack, just follow the jack, just follow the jack. We know what they are there too. And you know say an idea too. The thing about it too, you know, when you go out with a younger person, you want to put them at the front too. That's true. That's how you go for true. Yeah. Only for mango there in the bush here. Mango, yes.
Okay. The good old sweetie people, you see it? Yeah, the bush, me and Dalby, come look some mango. Cause some mango rice to and thing. Yeah, people so you tune and you swag one.
Yeah.
Big up, you know, it's a natural thing.
Yeah.
Out here.
No bag, you know. Put them in the bag.
Yeah, man, out here, people. See me there? Mango bush there. Yeah.
That is it. See it here? Sweet mango. Just start ripe. Yeah. And a green still. Sweet mango there. More sweet mango. Fresh off a tree. You know? Yeah, man. Just jack them and wash up. Holy heap of sweetie we have find. Bring it back up here, sir. I said bring it back up here, sir, because I may find some more. Bring up your bag up here, sir, Boti. Come up with the bag. Come up with the bag up here, sir. Put them in there. Sweetie mango look good. Yeah, man. Load it up. Yeah, man. Aye. Yeah, see what I got in the bag there. Sweetie mango take over. Sweetie mango in a bag enough. Long them they don't. All the way down here so come they done. Start pick up long until me buck up on some pretty sweetie mango. Yeah, man. That is it. Stay tuned. Yes, I job out there. Check in for one of them in the bush.
Yeah, man, and sweetie them, you know?
Sweetie mango in a bush. It's a season. Mango, job too, you know. Breeze a blow cool out here. Cool. Oh, pretty. Now I forgot I black kill again. Job out. I get also more fire. Yeah. Soon join in and just some time. That piece of rotten.
They are clean up the chicken then. Now we have what's up today. Some curry chicken and some mango, some coconut mango rice, you know. And man, that we have what's up today. Atan!
That is it.
I will custom the one there.
I must Colaz, man.
But are you a cookie?
No, you.
But no eating, same time we are cook.
Nice, nice. I'm gonna get this working out. Guys, great there, huh?
Yeah, so socks they are going to get the natural season cut up. Yeah man, so I go on so far, hot pepper, I don't know, scallion, onion, what is Irish potato, I don't know, some sweet pepper there, so see me.
No, we have the last something.
This now.
Garlic.
Garlic, everything of the season. Pot. All about some curry chicken and some mango rice and some coconut juice. Yeah man, so just go and stay tuned. Yeah man, see chicken over here, so well clean and cut up. I don't know. Yeah man, just keep it locked and loaded.
So you get on some Maggi.
Get on some jerk season on it as well. Bring with the natural season them right away. Some scallion, basmati pepper, onion, Irish thyme, sweet pepper, garlic.
Curry up. Pretty though. Yeah man, curry chicken look good. So far and then I got a pot yet, well seasoned up and thing. Yeah, stay tuned.
You have to keep it thing real and natural. You know they call people Udina. So you have to look up the wood, yeah. And keep it blazing.
Windy day today. Oliver Razor blow. Cool.
Blazing.
You have lighter? Hmm?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, light it up and then pack it with some mustard.
Udina. Watch it. Fire blazing. Hot.
You want to check in people so I get you some oil. Not if the pot come like a lean, so.
Meat are going up at same
See what I go on the curry pot there so far? Yeah, man. Pretty though. Yeah. Curry chicken and cook. So fire red. That is it, man. Yeah? Yeah. Stay tuned. Curry look good, man. Better for curry. Put the on the fire, we just go and wait out. You don't know curry chicken that, you know. Go and wait for that. Mango are great out, you know. Mango rice.
guys. Get the coconut juice now. Get the mango juice now. We add some water to it. What there? Coconut juice start change color. I saw the pretty now, man. It's sweet too, the mango flavor there. So I go on now. Look what I go on. So me attack. Whoa! Nice. I'm pretty like a curry put in the bun of curry and mango. Yeah man, so right here I go ahead now. Get in the natural seasoning and then I'm get in some powder seasoning and some salt same speed. Yeah man, so some scallion and thyme in that. Now I'm going to get in some Maggi all purpose. Yeah. Right here, go wash the rice. Man, they say they want to wipe rice eat, you know. So I go on.
You want to refill?
So I'll get 2 wash rice. 1. Need to mix up after this. Same time, go ahead. Whoa! Get in nice and pot. So I go on. So I go on, people, you see that colorful? Nice cinnamon.
Alright, so you don't know, rice in a pot. I go and steam down banana, leave the on it. As you can see, we turn on the stove. Yeah man, see? Take out some of the fire them so we turn it down. So you don't know any moment now what's supposed to come off a fire. So go and lock in and clock in. Yeah. Alright, so I go and for rice so far. I'm gonna just ease off, leave a little bit. And thing. Rice a steam out nice. Just go and dig it up. Don't know you have to keep on stir the pot, you know, because you want the food cook good, so you don't know. Ratty a chef up rice, you know. Come on, mango rice.
Papi, I'll get started. We share the coconut mango rice. I don't know, say, man, I eat no food, you know.
You say man eat no?
That is it. What you say about you?
Yeah, Tan. Now if you bother cook tonight.
Hey!
That you like?
That is it. So Papi, I share the rice, Sax, I share the meat.
One thing I can say, Colaz, you miss this. Me know when you come back here, I have to cook back the party now.
My cousin say you could send my food to me.
Right. It'll take too long, it'll cold by reach.
Yeah.
Remember people, when you're ready to book your adventure, just go up on the site, colazsmith.com. You see me?
Father, as life goes by, we are participating in this food here at this blessed moment. So we have to give thanks, you know, as we have to eat, Father, in your holy name and your precious name. Give thanks and sanctify this food and take it in your way and your precious name, Father. Daily food is good life.
Amen.
Amen. Jabby.
Everybody, you can take up them food now.
Yeah.
One Sax, one Papi, Daniela, Lasco.
So I go on. Mango rice. Yeah, some coconut milk. Nice. Curry chicken. Yeah, man, I don't know. Out here with the whole team. Food nice. What the?
Circle pot pass, you know.
Man,
What's that?
circle.
Guys, that you eat by yourself. Everything I threw out tonight.
One rocky done. That's with them a cut.
Yeah, my cut here, say all I gravy gone.
Rocky to make use of it. Look like my whole left look for me.
What shell long?
Nah, the chicken there.
That is it. Who can count? How much on the banana here? Count them and tell me how much on the banana here. Banana here, they high up in the air, you know. Show no. High up. Like cotton. Count the on them.